I know I said in my last video that the rants are paused until February of 2024, until this mess, which I'm about to explain, gets sorted out. And that is still the case. This is just an update video, really. So for those who are new here, I released a video back in the summer of this year providing commentary and sharing facts about the character of Snow White and how Rachel Ziegler is misrepresenting the character from some comments that she made. While I was describing the character of Snow White, I used a clip from Disneyland, somebody's Disneyland vacation. And everything was fine. When you upload a video to YouTube, it checks for copyright anything, and this one came back with none of that. No copyright anything. So I put the video up. It's a huge success. A lot of people are finding it and watching it. And then a couple of days ago, I get a copyright strike. And I'm like, what? This doesn't make any sense. My videos count under fair use and education. And I find out that it is a woman who copyright striked my video because of the Disneyland vacation clip. This person, I'm not going to say who they are, did not reach out to me privately to edit out the clip. I would have done so if she had asked. I've done it before for people who have asked. And I tried emailing her for a retraction. She never responded. So then I went to YouTube. Under their own policy, it says that commentary, education, that kind of content counts under fair use. And I told them that. And they instead decided to tell me that they didn't know what I was asking, which is why I don't think it's a real person looking at this ticket. I think it's a bot or what have you. And this is really frustrating because I have been trying to get this sorted out. I also got some lovely advice from someone in my comments section on the last video, some wonderful help from a woman named Sumi, so thank you so much for that. As for this entire situation, in my classes, whenever we give presentations, the teacher always says to cite everything, even where you got the images. And when I do my rant, video essay, commentary bits, I always source where I got clips. Because, you know, that's what you do. So that way also, if anybody wants to check out the original uploader, they can. And a lot of other YouTubers do this. Sensitive Society, A Cheeto, Penguin Zero, Optimus, so many other channels do what I do. And I'm frustrated that nobody is giving me a clear answer on YouTube's side. I'm frustrated that the woman who did the strike to begin with decided to strike me rather than simply reaching out to me privately like other people in the past have. I love doing YouTube. I love my community. I love everything that this platform has given me. But I just wish that they were a little bit more transparent in what was okay to use and what isn't okay to use, because I'm going off of their guidelines. I make sure that my videos follow their guidelines. And I just want a clear answer. That's all I'm asking. Please, somebody give me an answer. Yeah, I'll provide more updates as this mess progresses. I'm hoping for the best. I have fought a lot worse. And I am part Slav, and for anybody who knows, Slavs are stubborn. We do not quit when things get tough. We don't quit, period. So I'm nervous rambling at this point into my microphone. I'm hoping for the best. I will put it there. I'm hoping that everything gets sorted out and for the best. Thank you so much for listening to me ramble, and I hope to see everybody again with better news about the situation. So, until next time.
There's a part of myself I'm missing. Now I got a lot to learn.